Flavorful, rich tobacco flavor. Winston tastes good like a cigarette should.
That's right. We're not. Oh, hi there, hi there. Now, may we have our next contestant, please? Will you come in? Will you tell our panel, please, what your name is and where you're from?
My name is John Cage. I'm from Stony Point, New York.
Mr. Cage, and he is from New York. Now, Mr. Cage is a musician. He is a composer. He teaches a course in music at the New School here in New York. He is probably the most controversial figure in the musical world today, and when you hear his performance, if you'll forgive me, you will understand why. You tell us quite seriously whether or not you consider what we're about to hear music. No tongue-in-cheek, but seriously.
No, perfectly seriously. I consider music the production of sounds, and since in the piece which you will hear I produce sounds, I would call it music.
Inevitably, Mr. Cage, these are nice people, but some of them are going to laugh. Is that all right?
Of course. I consider laughter preferable to tears.
I'm with you, boy. All right, let's see this instrument.
Great, thank you.
That's it. Yes, the title of the composition is what, Mr. Cage?
Water Walk, because it contains water and because I walk during its performance.